Folks, I'm Jeff, and I want to show you a couple of different options that are available on Scan Tools. This is from Top Dawn, the Top Scan. It's the neatest little dongle that you can plug in, and it'll connect to your phone. You do have to download the app first, so it has to be something that'll take the apps, and you can download the app. And the neatest deal on this, and let me plug it in. I kind of have to reach back up in here. You heard the little beep. It's telling you that it's connected. And the reason for that is because this particular one is kind of hidden. So see, it pops up on your phone. Hey, TopScan's plugged in. It'll also remind you at the end that to take it out. So once you have the app downloaded, and you can download all the different vehicles that you use in your shop, then you can either go in and you can just hit the diagnostics. You can see here it also does all the maintenance. So it'll reset the oil, um, the parking brakes, the battery service, the throttle. So it does a whole lot for, and then you look right here and it says, okay, what vehicle is this? And we're working on a Toyota. Is it automatic or manual? And so down here at the bottom, it always asks you. This is without a smart key. Tells you right there what it is. And that quick it comes up. So now we want to do diagnostic functions, and we want to do an auto scan right down here at the bottom. And you can watch, it'll go through all of the systems that are on the vehicle. So if there's a system that's not on the vehicle, it'll tell you that it's not on here. And see how quick it is going down and reading all of the computers. So this is extremely fast. It's extremely handy to have. If you have your service advisor thing, hook it to your phone, walk out on the drive there, and do a quick scan. Now at this point, you can ask for the report. You can ask to clear the DTCs. And so we're going to do a report right here, and it's saying, hey, you're going to confirm it. And it'll pull up right here. And on this particular one, it says 14 of the systems are scanned. 3 of them had an issue. So then you go back in here and see there's faults in the engine, faults in the ABS, faults in the tire monitor system. So we're going to save that. And then right here, we can click share. We want it to print. So we've got this hooked up to our Wi-Fi Bluetooth printer. We've got it hooked up, and we can just say, go ahead and print. That quick and easy. You've got all of the ones on there. Now, if you want to see what they are, then you'll go back in, and we can look at the different systems right here. Here's the trouble codes. And it comes up that we have evaporator emission problems. We have an incorrect purge flow. We have a leak detected. We have an incorrect flow. And then we have a gross leak. And basically, on this one, the gas cap was loose. So that quick and easy, out on the service drive, they can check that, go back there and check the gas cap and say, okay, that's all. Or say, okay, the gas cap is tight. We need to schedule it in. We need to bring it in and do a smoke test. That quick and easy. And this one always asks you at the bottom, did you want to clear the codes? We go into the next one, the ABS, and we all know that a lot of times by default, this one will come on if you have an engine running problem. And that's what it's saying is, hey, there was an engine problem. And again, we're going to clear those out. It verifies that there's no DTCs. We've cleared everything. We've read them. We've printed off the report. So we know, and it says, are you sure you want to exit? It's like, yep, that's what we want to do. So we're coming out of that. and it's telling you, please remove your connector. That's quick and easy. This is the from Top Dawn, the Top Scan. It's a really neat device that you could check out. See if it helps you in your shop. As always, I appreciate you watching.